Good morning, students. In yesterday's video, we have finished that other birds feed on other kinds of food. Hens eat worms, crows eat the flesh of the dead animals, and some birds eat the fruits of trees. Now today we are going to we see many small animals around us. What do they feed upon? So we see many small animals around us. What do they feed upon? Now the small animals which are there around us, what do they eat? Let's see. Bedbugs suck people's blood. So these are the bedbugs. This is the picture of the bedbugs. Bedbugs feed on people's blood. They suck people's blood. Ticks suck the blood of cows and buffaloes. Now ticks looks like same like this, and they also suck the blood of cows and buffaloes. House lizards and chameleons eat insects. Caterpillars and some insects nibble at and eat the leaves of plants. Now caterpillars. So here is the picture of the caterpillar. Caterpillar and some other insects, what do they eat? They eat the leaves of plants. See, in this picture you can see that caterpillar is eating the leaf of a plant. Butterflies feed upon the nectar they find in flowers. Now see, here you can see the butterflies. They are feeding on the nectar in the flower. So they feed on the nectar which is present in the flowers. So this is the food of the butterflies. Chameleons, they eat small insects like cockroaches, houseflies, etc. Caterpillars, they feed on the leaves of the plant, and bedbugs, they suck the people's blood. Animals eat the food they find in nature. Animals eat the food they find in nature. However, they have to wander from place to place in search of food. So if they want to eat food, they need to search for the food in the nature. So they go from one place to another place in search of food. Do you know there are many types of mosquitoes? Now there are the types in mosquitoes. Most of them suck the sap from the plants. Most of the mosquitoes, what do? They suck the sap from the plants. Only a few types of mosquitoes suck our blood, and some of the mosquitoes, they suck our blood, means human blood, people's blood. Next, the food of plants. Here you can see the picture of a plant. Plants makes their own food. Plants do not need help of other animals or human beings for the food. They make their own food. Plants too need food. Now you may wonder that why do plants need food? But plants are also living things, so they also need food. So plants too need food, but they cannot move from place to place in search of food. Like we have seen that animals move from one place to another in search of food, but plants cannot move from one place to another. So how do they make their own food? Then from where do you think they get their food? The roots of plants absorb water from the soil. Now here is the picture of the roots. See, this is the picture of the roots, and the roots of plants, means these roots of plants, they absorb water. वो water को अपनी तरफ absorb कर लेते हैं from the soil. जो मिट्टी होती है उसमें से वो पूरा water अपनी तरफ absorb कर लेते हैं. Some substances from the soil are dissolved in this water. So there are some substances in the soil. मिट्टी में कुछ substances होते हैं और वो किस में dissolve हो जाते हैं? In the water. This water reaches the leaves of the plants, and this water it reaches to the leaves of the plants through the roots. There are many tiny pores or openings on the surface of the leaves. Now if you observe to the leaf, single leaf, there are many tiny pores and openings on the surface of the leaf. ऊपर के पार्ट में छोटे छोटे पोर्स होते हैं, टाइनी टाइनी पोर्स. They are so tiny that we cannot see them with our eyes. If you observe the leaf, you can see, but you cannot see properly. There are tiny pores which we cannot see through our eyes. Air enters the leaves through these pores. Now the pores which are present on the leaves, the air enter through the pores into the leaves. Thus air and water come together in the leaf. From roots water goes and from leaves air comes. So together they enter the leaf in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight means when there is sunlight, the roots reaches the water and the leaves mixes with the air, and this process happens when there is a sunlight. Plants make their own food using the water and air in the leaves. When do the plants make their food? When in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, when there is sunlight, plants make their own food. What they use to make the food? They use water and air in the leaves, which is present in the leaves. A plant's food is made in its leaves. Plants food is made in the leaves. उनका खाना कहाँ पे बनता है? In the leaves. Sunlight is necessary for this process, and for this whole process sunlight is the very important part. Now what we have learnt in this chapter, that living things need food. The most important part is that living things need food for energy, right? Food gives the body strength to work. It helps the body to grow and to repair its wear and tear. Animals search for ready food in nature and eat it. Animals need not make food. They search the food. They search the ready food and they eat it. Food of different living things is different. Now as we have learned that animals need different food, plants need different food, human beings need different food. So different food of living things is different. Everyone do not eat same food. Some animals eat the flesh of the other animals. Some eat grass and leaves. Some suck the blood of other animals, while others eat insects. Some insects feed on the leaves of plants. With the help of sunlight, plants prepare their own food. So with the help of sunlight, plants prepare their own food. Now always remember that the entire living world depends on the food prepared by the plants. Okay, in this way we have finished with the chapter. You also revise it. Thank you.